Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have a little bit of a haul here for you today. Some stuff is close to my heart, which I've been kind of putting off until the new catalog came out to show. And then the other one is a Scrapbookcom, and I also have my Echo Park card subscription kit, which I'll be working with as soon as I'm done with this video, I think. Okay, so first of all, this is a really cool die from close to my heart, and it is to fit a gift card inside. So I didn't get the little piece that cuts the gift card flaps, but I have that in some other dies that I own. So I'm going to see if I can get that to work out. So I will let you know, but I'm really excited about paper piecing and making this look really cute. And you can see how big this is. It is big, but it fits into, from what I understand, an A2 size card envelope. So we're going to try that out soon, and I'll come back and show you how that turned out. But gift card holders in fun, different designs, I love those. Okay, so that's that. Here is a stamp set that I've been wanting, and isn't it cute? So it makes this sign that looks like wood grain, and it has a little piece that holds it up, and you can put the different sentiments on there. It has a flower piece. So I'm really looking forward to using this one also. These are the stamps of the month for the catalog, the current catalog. So this is March and this is April. And March is these cute little animals, and then they have little sayings like "so doggone sweet," "best friends forever," "oh crab I forgot," "I miss you, no lion." So I think these are going to be just adorable. It occurred to me they would be cute for little some of these for cards to go into, like a lunchbox or something, slip into someone's suitcase as they're going out of town, that kind of thing. But I think I'm going to make mini slimlines because I'll show you what I have coming up in my haul. Okay, so this is March and this is April, and I won't work with this next month since unless you're a maker with close to my heart, you won't have access to it. But look at the tiny sentiments and the layering on those bottles. I'm really looking forward to that one. Okay, so this is a card kit, and it's one of the new collections. There are 2 new collections in each of the mini catalog idea books, and this is one of them. It's called Cake Day. And when I saw what this one does, I was, oh my gosh, so cute. So the little piece of cake will pull out, and you can stamp things on there. Different sayings like happy birthday, it's your day, that kind of thing. So it's going to make 16 cards. I love the little dots too and the colors. I love all of these colors. So it's going to make these 4 cards, 4 of each. So I'll be doing these on camera, and I will, that's a video I'm going to be working on later on today. All right, so from Scrapbook.com, I wanted some stitched ovals. My ovals I'm not crazy about. They're an old set from Fun Stamper's Journey, and one piece is stitched and then one piece is solid, and so you have to line it up perfectly. Not very good about that. And this one has an A2 piece that will have the stitched around, so it'll be opening in it. So I'm really looking forward to that. This is by Waffle Flower. So I will link to all of these things, by the way, in case you're interested. And some of these are Spellbinders, but I bought them on Scrapbook.com. So this is their new cutting dies that are the mini blooms and sprigs. And aren't those beautiful? And I could see these on a mini slimline card or a regular A2 card. They're just so pretty. And here's where they've added them to this. And by the way, I have this die. This is a slimline die that does this whole background with flowers, and they've added these mini sprigs on there. So they must line up pretty well. I'm excited about that. This is a new Spellbinders die set also, and it is Layering Mini Slimline A. There's also a Slimline B, so you can get even more. This is probably 1/4 of an inch, and you could probably get a 1/16 of an inch if you have the other one. But I also love this center one for a sentiment strip. I think that'll be really nice. But I love layering dies. They're so much fun. And then this is a slimline die, and it is a slim buffalo check, which I think is so pretty. So that's going to be exciting. And then this was the Freebie. Oh boy, that is really a glare. It is like a holographic, shiny, I don't know what they call it. What do they call it? Just says stickers on it. But this was the Freebie. Now when you go to Scrapbook.com and you're checking out, always look at the top, and it will say whatever the free item is. And there's usually one when I check out anyway. And you need to click and add it to your cart because it won't automatically do it. So I'll see how these work. I'm not a huge fan of these skinny stickers like that. They usually require more adhesive to make them stay long term. So we'll see how those go. Okay, and I also received my February 2022 card makers kit from Echo Park. I resisted the warehouse sale this time in February, so I'm feeling kind of proud of myself because I did not need any more pretty paper from them, but I love this one because it comes with a 6x6 pad, and look at that stamp set. So I will do a full unboxing with this when I do my video putting together my cards from this kit. So I'm looking forward to that. So upcoming will be definitely a video of this kit, a video using some of these new dies, and that card kit from Close to My Heart. I'll be doing a video for that. So, and also the stamp of the month for this month. So I think that I've got all of my videos laid out for March. It seems like it anyway. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.